Hi, hello, welcome to another video from Training Mark. In this video, we're going to talk about the top 10 things that you have to do to become a software developer in 2020. The very important thing here is it is not the skills that what you know. It is the skills that what companies are looking for. Without knowing this, many freshers will try to update the skills which are outdated in the industry. Now we are in the digital transformation world where every company expects their employee to be digitally transformed. Now, what the hell is this digital transformation? Digital transformation is the use of new, fast, and frequently changing digital technologies to solve the problems. We know how fast these technologies or programming languages has changed over the decade from traditional programming languages like C, C++ to advanced technologies like Java, Python, artificial intelligence, data science, IoT, machine learning, and many more, to the engineering principles like CI/CD, Docker, DevOps, Kubernetes, and many more. Now the question comes what to choose as which technologies to learn as a fresher. Earlier, 5-6 years ago, the companies expect the fresher to have a bachelor degree with more than 60% aggregate, with simple aptitude and logical ability, with simple programming skills. They used to hire these freshers and train those employees for 3 to 6 months. Now that era is gone. If you still think that we'll get a job only with your degree, then probably you have to change your mind. First and foremost, you have to choose whether you want to join product-based company or service-based company. So I'm not going to explain what is product-based company or a service-based company in this video. You can Google it out to get all the information. So the preparation and interview process is completely vary for both of these products. So my recommendation is to prepare for product-based companies. So product-based companies have more advantages in terms of pay packages, work culture, and technology stack that you work with along with the stability of job. So product-based companies will pay 6 lakhs to 10 lakhs per annum in India and $60,000 to $100,000 in US per annum. But they'll expect you to have full stack development with strong logical ability skills. These are freshers. According to Indeed, a full stack developer in US average base salary is around $112,000. That is all the general information. Now we'll come back to the actual topic of this video. What are the top 10 things that we need to do to become a software developer in 2020? I'll focus more on preparing for product-based companies. The first and foremost important thing, be strong in programming skills. Either you can choose Java or Python depending upon your interests. You can learn these two technologies. There are plenty of material available either in YouTube or Udemy. You can take any courses for preparing for these particular courses. You can learn these technologies on YouTube. Just type learn Java. So you'll get plenty of channels. You can follow any one of the mentor to learn Java. So these are all wonderful materials which are available. And similarly, you can learn Python. So you'll get plenty of videos in YouTube for learning Python. And similarly, you can also enroll for a couple of courses in Udemy. You'll find courses, free courses and paid courses. You can enroll. They'll be available for very better price. And similarly, you can search for Python and you can choose any one of the codes for learning it. Second important point, data structures and algorithms. One of the very important topic for any fresher, for any product-based companies. In fact, they'll ask you the questions in the first coding interview itself about the data structures and algorithms. So you can go through for learning these data structures and algorithms in one of the websites like HackerHealth, HackerRank, or Geek for Gigs, or you can also watch our videos which will prepare it for Java coding challenges, right from the very basic to the advanced, asked in many coding interviews, which I'll put the link of the video in the description, or maybe you can see in the icon. Go to any one of the website like HackerRank or Hackerhead. You can get registered with that if you do not have an account, or if you are for developer, you can sign up and code. So if you already registered, you can simply log in. Since I've already registered, I'm just logging in with my credentials. So here you'll see your dashboard where you have interview preparation kit, problem solving, and if you scroll down, you'll have data structures and algorithms which you can solve challenges. Right from, you can also filter it out from easy, medium, hard, and based on the subdomains like arrays, linked lists, trees, and all the stuff. So you'll get the points based on the challenges that you submit. They'll also give you some badges which you must update them in your resume. They'll give you more value whenever you attend for interviews. Third thing, you can attend hackathons and coding events which will be conducted by companies and top engineering colleges like IIITs and IITs. So you can find these hackathons and coding events online. So just Google hackathons in India or online. You'll get plenty of information online where these hackathons are conducted. You can register and then you can participate. Number 4, proficient skills one at a time. So many of the freshers will try to learn all technologies together without implementing any product out of the technology. That is really bad. So my recommendation here is just take first 15 days to brush up your fundamentals of that programming language, and take the next 15 days for implementing one assignment or a project out of that particular technology, which will give you very good hands-on to understand the concept of that particular programming language. Number 5, manage your code in VCS, nothing but version control system. For somebody who doesn't know VCS, you can try googling it, what is version control system. It's basically a repository system where you can put your code and manage your code, and which is one of the very important when you work on projects. So you can put your code into GitHub or GitLab. These are the two popular VCS which will be used across companies. And do not forget to put your GitHub repositories URLs in your resume. That is going to value a lot of value addition for your resumes. Number 6 is LinkedIn connections. LinkedIn account is must for every software professionals. It helps you to get connected with industry experts like HR, technical manager, who can help you out to get your job in IT industry. If you do not have a LinkedIn account, just create it right now. Number 7, internship with startup. Do an internship with any startup at least 3 to 6 months. Internships at startup helps you to gain a lot of technical skills in a short period of time and helps you to get hands-on developing a product end to end. You can choose either Internshala or Let's Intern. Some of the internships are online, or some of the internships are at the office premises. So I recommend is to choose the office premise because you'll get the complete live experience how do you work with the company. You can simply search internships in India or internships online. So you'll get plenty of websites and you can choose any one of the popular one. Example, I'm opening Internshala. So you can log in or register if you have already done, and then they'll post out all the internships which are available in Bangalore, or depending upon your location you can search. And before actually applying for a category, example, I'm just typing of software development, so which basically list out all the internships which are available. So you can choose any one of this like Zoomcar, Mathan. So choose any one of the startup and go through the description of it. So they'll provide you when to start, the duration and stipend. I recommend to choose any. The stipends, the internships which will pay you stipend and you can apply. But if you scroll down, the complete description about the internship and then the skills required for working on that particular internship. Without having skills, they cannot select you to work for any startup. So before actually applying for an internship, you must definitely possess some skills for working on that particular internship. Internships are very helpful for developing your hands-on experience of working on live product with product based companies like Zoomcar. Number 8, choose a mentor. Choosing a mentor is really important in IT industry. So who can help you or guide you to build your career in IT industry. So when you're learning a technology either from YouTube or following a course in Udemy for a particular instructor, so try to get in touch with that instructor and get a lot of guidance and questions related to your career, which helps you to get a career in your IT industry. Number 9 is code review. Writing the code is not important. So writing a code which is clean, neat and maintainable is really important in IT industry. So code reviews helps you to identify your mistakes and helps you to write the maintainable code. So always get your code reviewed by your mentor regularly. This diagram explains you what is a good code versus bad code. You'll get a lot of inputs when you Google it to understand what is a good code and what is a bad code, and then how you have to do code review on yourself before actually getting it reviewed by your mentor. Finally, improve your logical ability skills and behavior skills. So these are very important to grow in your IT industry. Communication skills and behavioral skills helps you to get promoted to higher positions and get a better career in IT industry. So these are the 10 things that you have to do to become a software developer in 2020. So that's it from our end. So if you like this video, please hit a like button, and if you have any comments or suggestions, please post your comments in the comment section, and please do subscribe to our channel for more such videos. Thank you.